Oh yeah.
So mommy can be happy.
Yeah.
That us
Project
we are
together.
meeting,
Huh?
we are meeting, doing something,
Yeah.
and it's so good.
Yeah.
Dad, you're going to do homework with me later at night? Because, Dad,
Yeah.
when you're off, because you're off today, you spend time together.
Yeah. Oh, careful.
Buddy! Night coming!
Satu juga.
Wow! That one.
Yeah, watch out because the eagle will eat it. Don't scare her or him. Go. Go.
She don't.
There's a phone. What's that sound? The goose. Stop trying to perfect their future and start enjoying their presence. The most meaningful work you will ever do is playing tag in the backyard.